Probability. Probability means possibility. It is a branch of mathematics that deals with occurrence of random event. In a common usage, the word probability is used to mean the chance that a particular event or a set of event will occur expressed on a linear scale from 0, that is impossibility, to 1, certainly, also expressed as a percentage between 0 to 100%. Random experiment. The experiment in which all possible results are known in advance but none of them can be predicted with certainty and there is equal possibility for each result is known as random experiment. For example, tossing a coin, throwing a die, picking a card from a pack of well-shuffled playing cards, etc. Outcome. Result of random experiment is known as outcome. In a random experiment of a tossing a coin, there are only two outcomes, heads and tails. In a random experiment of throwing a die, there are 6 outcomes according to the number of dots on the 6 faces of the die. Event. The outcomes satisfying particular condition are called favorable outcomes. A set of favorable outcomes of a given sample space is an event. Event is a subset of the sample space. Events are generally denoted by capital letters A, B, C, D, etc. For example, if 2 coins are tossed, and A is the event of getting at least one tail, then the favorable outcomes are as follows. Sample space. Set of all possible outcomes of random experiment is called the sample space. It is denoted by S or omega. Each element of sample space is called a sample point. And the number of element is the set S is denoted by N of S. If N of S is finite, then the sample space is said to be a finite sample space. Following are some example of finite sample space. Equally likely outcomes. If a die is thrown, any of the number from 1 to 6 may appear on the upper face. It means that each number is equally likely to occur. However, if a die is so formed that a particular face comes up most often, then that die is biased. In this case, the outcomes are not likely to occur equally.